take a big bowl and some chopped watermelons. Put some salt. Put some pepper and amla candy. Then nicely. And your chaat is ready.
I am Vikramaditya Mohanty from class 4B. Today I am making sandwich for my mama. I have taken 2 slices of bread, mayonnaise, tomato and cucumber slices, black pepper and some cheese. First I will spread mayonnaise. Then I apply some tomato slices. Then I apply some. Then I sprinkle some black pepper. Cover it, and my sandwich is ready for my mama.
My best friend, she is always concerned about my health and food. I love my mother. Happy Mother's Day. I am Uttarjana from class 4A, and today I am going to make a sandwich for my mummy. It's done! Alright, today I am making a sandwich and a cold coffee for my mother. To make a sandwich, we have to take a bread and cut it sides like this. Now we have to take stage 1 and we have to take these vegetables. I have grated it. Now we have to take mayonnaise. Now press the mayonnaise on it. We have to take this bread and put it on this plate. Then we have to take the another bread and we have to do the same process like this. Grated vegetables and spread on this bread like this. We have to take this bread and we have to fold it like this, and when we have folded, we have to cut the triangle slice of it like this. Now our sandwich is ready. Now we are making cold coffee. For making cold coffee, we want sugar and a coffee, milk and this. We have to take the coffee now. I am taking this coffee. We have to take. Then we have to take out this mixer grinder and pour this cold coffee in this mug. Now our sandwich and cold coffee are ready.